Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem with your Facebook. So if you just can't log in into your account, you still receive errors, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if you still have this error, so just go to the settings, and in the settings, first thing you need to check your internet connection. So just check if you are successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Also you can try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just open mobile data or cellular data and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Just go back, so after you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Facebook, and if you see here not open but but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook application. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.